Hello there. I have now the task of solving the following question. Given that the difference between the squares of two even consecutive numbers is 60, we need to work out the two numbers. So let's assume that the two numbers that we're talking about are n, okay, and the next even consecutive number after n is n plus 2. What we need to work out now is the squares of each number, and then take them away, take the smaller one away from the bigger one, and equate this to 60 and obtain an equation in n which we need to solve. Okay, so the bigger even consecutive number is n plus 2, which we square. So it's n plus 2 squared minus n squared is equal to 60. Now, I actually expanded this as n squared plus 4n plus 4, okay, which actually comes from n plus 2 squared is actually equal to n plus 2 times n plus 2. Okay, and if we use the smiley face method or FOIL or any other method we want, we will get n squared plus 4n plus 4. So if we do the eyebrows first, so n times n is n squared plus 2 times 2, which is 4, and then the mouth, which is 2n, plus the chin, which is the other 2n. So that will give us n squared plus 4n plus 4. Okay. Now let's go back to our equation. So n squared plus 4n plus 4, take away n squared is equal to 60. Now we've noticed that the two n squared, because one is positive, the other one is negative, they cancel each other out. So we end up with an equation which looks like this. 4n plus 4 is equal to 60. What we need to do now is get rid of the plus 4 on the left-hand side, and we need to move it to the other side where 60 is, but we need to reverse the sign. So it will become negative. So 4n is equal to 60, take away 4. So 4n is equal to 56 and n is equal to 14. So we found one of the numbers. Now we need to work out the other even consecutive number, and we just need to add 2 to 14 to give us 16. So the two numbers are 14 and 16. Now, can we actually check that we found the correct numbers? And the way to do this is to simply substitute n is equal to 14 in our initial equation. So 14 add 2, which is 16. So 16 squared, take away 14 squared, and we need to make sure that that's equal to 60. So is it equal to 60? Now 16 squared is 256. Take away 196, and the answer is 60. So it does work. Okay? Thank you.